In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with your domain email using Gmail. Let's dive right into it. Our first step is to open up your Gmail account. Simply head over to your web browser, type in the Gmail URL, and log in with your credentials. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, you should see the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. This is your shortcut to all of Gmail's settings. Next, click on that gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select See All Settings. This will take you to Gmail's comprehensive settings page where you'll find multiple tabs across the top. The tab that we're interested in today is Accounts and Import. Go ahead and click on Accounts and Import. This is where we can configure your Gmail to send emails through your custom domain. Now look for the section labeled Send Mail As and click on Add Another Email Address. A small window will pop up prompting you to enter your name. Go ahead and fill in the display name you want to appear when sending emails from your custom domain. Below your name, you'll need to enter your custom domain email address. This is the email address that you own through a domain provider that you want to use to send your emails. After you've entered your domain email address, click Next Step. Here's where we need to configure the SMTP server settings. If you're using your own domain, you'll need your SMTP server address. For those of you who might not be familiar, the SMTP server is what sends your emails onto the internet. Often the SMTP server address will be something straightforward like mail.yourdomain.com, but you'll need to verify this with your domain provider. Along with the server address, enter the port number, which is usually 465 or 587. If you're unsure, check with your domain provider to ensure you're putting in the right one. Below the port information, you'll need to enter your username. This will be your Gmail address and your password. For those of you who have two-factor authentication enabled, use an app-specific password here instead of your regular Gmail password. Once all the fields are complete, click Add Account. Now, Gmail might prompt you to verify your email address. If required, you'll receive a verification code to the domain email address you just added. Enter the code in the verification field to confirm ownership. Once that's done, you'll be able to send emails directly from this email address right inside of Gmail. Finally, when you compose a new email, you'll have the option to use this custom domain email address as the sender. Just click the From Address drop-down and select your new address. And there you have it. You're now ready to send emails from your domain email using your Gmail platform. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.